Good thing I'm a fucking mechanic, right? I might be cheap, but at least I'm gonna get my shit fixed. God fucking Lee, bro. Crying.
I'm about to say, nigga, that shit looked like you was driving shit. Poof.
Oh, this shit is, it can make me home.
I should be. You definitely gotta have to get a new tire. Yo, like.
It's gonna be something good for my page, though. I'm gonna be a cameraman.
I got you.
Make sure, so you know that I'm a real mechanic. I can do
He's doing it on the fly. He's doing it on the fly. I was right. We do it on the fly, middle of traffic.
This thing on? What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ain't That JAH? That gotta be JAH. Must be JAH. Back with another banger video. We got this flat tire on the side of the road. I would do it on the client's car, but it's my car, so you can tell that I trust myself with my work.
We out here on the corner of Poland.
I already got it jacked up and everything, because, you know, I ain't waiting for no bullshit. We a man, we a grown man. We gonna get this shit done. I got like 2 of the lug nuts out already. So, look, nice and easy. When you got a 4-way, you know, it come with 4 different sizes, so you don't really got to worry about trying to figure out your size. It's a 19mm right here. Ooh. I pray that this tire that I put on is not flat.
See what we doing? He mobile with it.
Yeah, your newly mobile mechanic. I got my business cards coming out soon. You know, got the, shout out to dot.com.
He got the real jack. One kick. Tire off. Because this man one kick. We got the car. All the cars asking for business cards. Your car look fucked up. We got you.
Damn, I should have waited.
We're in the middle of the road with it.
Need some brake pads. God,
Yeah, we straight. Appreciate it. You drawing concern on the street.
always straight.
Got a mechanic. Look at his wrist. He even got some ISO.
Yeah, you know.
He even got the ISO.
You gotta put no gloves on, like no bitch. You get dirty.
Are we timing it? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, Scott.
Make sure you get one on with your hand fully at work. Technical difficulty.
How much people y'all know with a young boy shirt that can fix the tire?
And I went to the YB concert. I'm not no fake fan. Come on.
He saying don't get it confused.
Always remember to get it as tight as you can before you put it down. And then re-torque it after you put it down so lug nuts don't fly off. We know we got some motherfucking experience in that, right? Lug nuts flying off on the highway and the tire fly off on you.
And it's only been 4 minutes. Yo, he about to be done before 10 minutes. If you need your tire changed, tire pop, 5 minutes.
Oh.
Oh.
Chill, I ain't see that. I wasn't gonna leave without it.
You got this.
I'm just showing you what not to do. See, I do the what to do and what not to do, all in one video, just to show you. Niggas be fucking around on these cars. Come on, we damn near done. You just make sure everything tightened down as much as you can with hand.
Nah, I'm crying. I thought you about to fall, nigga.
We sturdy. We sturdy. Might see how it might be a little tweaked, but we sturdy. Look at that, Jack. I was only out here probably for like an hour or something. I called roadside assistance. They still ain't came.
Nah, roadside never coming.
I just wanted to test the time. See how long it would take.
Got my brother's back, man.
My boy Mike came in clutch. So we do. You know.
Gotta say your thing
It's
again.
another bang on. It's your boy. Ain't that y'all? I'm old.